Hey everyone, this is uh, natural trap. This trap is very powerful and strong. This is uh, this is material is very um, uh, natural and uh, like new, uh, like so natural. In this, all thing natural, but something else matter swing. So next to uh, how to make in this trap homemade. Okay, so first of all my need uh, in this is palm tree fiber. Secondly, and my need this is wire, swing wire. Thirdly, my need this is fiber. So this is cutting, my swing cutting, and this is my cutting. So let's get it started. So firstly, in this something I am cutting. So just one piece I am looking, one side fully. This is, and alternate side this. And this is okay. I need fiber, so just one fiber. Okay, in this fiber. Okay, so this fiber is alternate, and the hole is just okay, done. This is almost this last. Okay, my need is wire. Wire is only just step by step. Follow please. Okay, this hole is gap. Okay, now in this complicate. So in this is okay. Second, just ring. Okay, Okay, this is ring. So in this head, okay, the second it. Okay, in this complete my trap. Very very powerful trap. So in this, step by step,